How's it going, everyone? It has indeed been a while, and I'm going to go ahead and be fitting an amazing piece to my Abarth today. It's going to be an induction kit. It's got one on it at the moment, but we have ordered the Forge induction kit, and I'm going to be trying and, well, attempting to fit it today. It has been a while since I actually made a video on this channel, so I am now back, and I'm planning on making POV videos and just car videos in general. Got a special helper to help me today with fitting the part. So let's get into it. So I actually ordered this. It's a 5-piece set for drilling holes into certain things. So the reason why I'm actually buying that is because I did look up a tutorial on how to fit this beforehand, and it is saying that I need to drill into my scuttle panel on the Abarth, so that's going to be a fun job. Just for the people who want to do this themselves, just in case you want to know the size, you will need to get yourself a 74mm hole saw that goes onto your, obviously, your drill, so you can actually drill into the scuttle panel. So this is the kit that I went ahead and ordered. It's the Forge Motorsport Induction Kit. That's what it looks like. Now you can actually see the hosing right there. You can actually change the colour of the hosing, and I decided to go with red because I've got the red Abarth, but you can pick whatever one you want. As you can see, it is £312 including VAT on the Abarth tuning website. You can probably get it cheaper at other places, but I do like Abarth tuning. To go ahead and get all the stuff out of the boot of this first. That'll do. Taking the MG to go pick up that drill part. My cute little baby. Alrighty, let's go. That is squeaky. That needs some WD-40. There we go, she's looking nice and snug in the car. Alright, let's go. And we have arrived at our destination, B&Q. Going shopping with mummy and daddy at B&Q. I want to know where the click and collect is in this big massive place. Tune. Bone meal from Minecraft. What one are we taking off the lot today? We've got plenty to choose from. Items secured, this is what I'm needing. Back at the MG mobile. Right, time to go back to the house now. We've got the baby in the back and let's go. It arrived. Yes! Oh, I am so excited. Oh yes. Oh, this looks so good. We also got this as well. We got the pipe. Beautiful red bits that say Forge on them. This little bit. So it gives you the option to actually download the instructions, which is actually kind of cool. Got a nice wee Forge sticker that comes with it. This is what we're looking for. This is the template that we actually need to cut into the scuttle panel. Look at this big bad boy. Oh, I nearly dropped it there. Oh, that is sick. So we've came out to put the induction kit in the boot, and we're going to get this fitted. We are going to go round to my parents' house though, because it's a better location to actually fit this. Alright, if I quickly open the bonnet. The induction kit's going to be replacing this rammier one that I've actually currently got in the car at the moment. I've just realised I'm going to have to take this out the boot and try and put it in the back seat, because we're going to see and test if the baby's pram fits in this tiny little boot. You know, Abarths are quite more spacious than people think. Like, we can fit her in our car seat in the back, quite snug. Oh, she's just adorable. Yeah, it's actually quite impressive. Alrighty. We are here. Parts secured. We've got the tools. We've got the Forge Motorsport Induction Kit, and yeah, let's give this a go. Okay, first of all, I need to get some tape and actually mark the window wipers so I can actually remember where they were on the window. All you need is just some tape, and I'm going to mark these up. All masked up, just like that. That'll do. Scuttle panel is out, so you've got to take this and obviously just add, and you can take it out fully, but I just put it up there. And then take the scuttle panel out, but you got to take the window wipers off as well. Right, so after using the circle with the drill bits, the circle drill thingy majiggy here, I've drilled it into the scuttle panel, and now I just need to tighten these bolts, and yeah, that's that part done. Actually, I forgot to say, it's a bit windy out here, but that's not what I was going to say. What I was going to say is I did use the template, but I don't know where I've put it. The template does come with the kit, so I used that to cut, you know, the circle. So I have completed it. The only issue is because I've got the blow-off valve, I've got nothing for it to connect to here, so I'm going to have to get some sort of cap, I think, for that. I'll look into it. I'm sure I need to get some sort of cap to go on the end of that, but it looks really good. Time to test how it actually sounds, so I'm going to open up the bonnet and we'll see. Right, so oh, I love it so much. Oh, it's so sexy. I think the red hosing was definitely the right decision. My fiance's going to quickly rev it so I can get a video of what it sounds like. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and see what it sounds like. I'm so excited. That sounds insane. Right, listen to the back. Damn! Well, that'll do me. That was a good day's work. Right, let's take it a test drive. Well, that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you did enjoy. Make sure to smack a like and don't forget to subscribe down below for more content like this, and I'm going to be bringing you more videos soon.